So where to look for now? So I'm with John Mark and I'm Wayne, Jessa Wayne, Wayne. Ian is not here. Obian, Max is not here also, and Mark mentioned here. So our report is about strategy implementation of report analysis for Apple Incorporated. So for the company background, to start with, please bear with us, hindi kami practice, but anyway, please return to the flash at my back. You can send this to our GC na lang, so you have a copy for this. So for the company background, the Apple Incorporated is an American multinational technology company founded in 1976 by Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs, then, Steve Wozniak and Ronald Wayne in Cupertino, California. It designs, manufacturers, and markets consumers electronics, softwares, and online services, such as Apple's most notable product, including the iPhone, iPod, Mac, Apple Watch, and Apple TV. Today, Apple operates with over 175 countries with more than 2 billion active devices worldwide. Its mission is to bring the best user experience to consumers through innovation, hardware, software, and services.
Challenges barriers encountered. Apple encountered several challenges during strategy implementation. High competition from Samsung, Huawei, and other smartphone manufacturers. Dependence on iPhone sales, revenue concentration, and trade pricing. Global economic fluctuations impacted demand and supply chain costs. Regulatory and legal issues face antitrust and patent disputes in various countries. Innovation pressures continues need to meet high customer expectations. Apple addressed these challenges through diversification, pricing strategies, and continued innovation in service and wearables.
Results and outcomes. Market leadership became one of the most valuable companies globally with a strong brand image. Revenue growth achieved $1 trillion market one of the most dedicated customer bases in the world. Technological advancement lead the industry in hardware, software, integration, design, aesthetics, sustainability achievements. Progress towards using 100% renewable energy in operations.
Software and services. Consistent evolution systems granted, building aware ecosystems and government profitability, adapting to changing consumer preferences and needs is crucial for daily life.
So for the overall evaluation, Apple's strategy of innovation demonstrates how innovation, ecosystem integration, and brand strength can drive long-term success. Consistent product excellence and customer focus, Apple transformed from a distributor company into a global technology powerhouse and one of the most influential brands in modern history. That will be all.